I welcome you all to the 21st day of my systems trading challenge, and today's market was actually a beast. All right, there was absolutely nothing wrong with whatever happened today, and I guess every system would have made money because there was super decay, and but there was a one-sided move in the end. So many people who play theta all the time, so they might have gotten hurt here. All right, so this is Nifty, and congratulations that we are closing above uh, at 18065 today. That is adjusted closing at 18065. So let's start measuring like how it did from open. So first it went down 0.4%. Okay, that's huge. But yeah, that's from open, and the first candle should be measured. So that would be, somewhere close to, after the first candle, it went down almost like 0.2% or 0.25%. Then it took a pause over here, okay, above, going above 0.2, 0.5, things like that, all those percentages. Then at 15 o'clock, at around 14:45 or something, it went above, it went to 0.4%. Then it took a quick down move just before 15 o'clock. And then 15 o'clock, it actually blasted for short covering. So many people who already had some short positions on the market, thinking that it has been going up in past few days, would have gone really hurt after this red candle, right? This green candle would have, killed all the positions which were there in the market today. All right, so okay, so let me show you these two lines which I have drawn. This is 1800 line and this is 17893. Okay, so this is the zone which is kind of undecisive for me. So let me show you 1 year chart. So this is the zone where it has, like, this line had become resistance for this, and although I'm not a technical analysis believer, but this line looks perfect range for me to go long in Nifty after it breaks this line. So and I go long in Nifty by buying the Nifty Bs, so there is no futures and options and all that. So this is how it like it just kissed this line, and then there was a 20-30 point fall in Nifty. Now let's see on Tuesday how it turns out, because Tuesday I am hoping that if it's another bullish candle like this, then it will easily break, and it will close somewhere above 18150 or something. Then we can think of breaking the all-time high in this bull run itself. Okay, don't care about what people are saying. You just have to keep your systems running all the time. All right, and it will give you some very good results. So Nifty is actually up from the bottom. It's up by almost, how much? 7%. Okay, that's a huge deal for Nifty. So let me show you how Bank Nifty moved today. So Bank Nifty, it fell down from open price by close to 0.6%, and then it came back up till 15 o'clock. It was like absolutely fine, but after that 0.5% move, that was all of a sudden move. Okay, there was no looking back from here till here. Only after like 23 or something, the Bank Nifty started to fall. But unfortunately for today, I only traded Finnifty because that's in the rule, and that too, the premiums were so low today morning when the markets opened, that I was really not knowing whether the premiums would be giving profits or not. So not me, but my system. So it decided to take only very small sell position in Finnifty. All right, so I'll show you in the charts. So it went down close to, yeah, Finnifty had the same chart as of Bank Nifty. It reached the open price at 15 o'clock. So, and after this there was a sudden boost. Okay, so my PNL, it ended up with 2,668 rupees. All right. Let me show you my margin utilization for today. So my today's peak margin was 4,75,718 out of 18 lakh rupees. I just managed to use this amount. So on this 4,75,000, this is close to 0.8% or something. Okay. So let me see if I can show you the. Okay. Uh, just hold on with me. Hold on, hold on, hold on. All right, it's not coming. So let me show you here how my PNL behaved, and let me also show you the premiums, how it behaved. You see, Bank Nifty saw a fall of close to from 250. Sorry, this is yesterday's. Even today's chart looks something like this. And mind you, this channel is free to join. You can also just search for this NBN straddle, and then you can join this channel. And okay, so I think there's something wrong, so I won't be able to show you the PNL chart. But I just wanted to show you yesterday's PNL chart, which I could not show. So I'm just looking for one channel, which is yeah. So this is my yesterday's channel, but again, this is not opening. I think something is wrong with my internet connection now. So yeah, like I wanted to explain you about how that red candle yesterday, right? There was a fierce red candle here in this. So my PNL was like 12,000 odd something here, and then it fell all the way down like by only by 0.4%, and my PNL came down from 12,000 to minus 2,000. Okay, and then when the market reversed, right, my PNL came back up. So that's the whole thing about today's trade. So let me see you on Tuesday. If time permits, I would be able to upload the video because as previously discussed that I'm going for a holiday. So let me see you guys on Tuesday. So till then, take care. Bye bye.